Good morning guys, in front of me is iPad from 2025 and let me show you how to set Pride wallpaper. At first open the settings, then choose wallpaper and mark add new one. And here just scroll down. Here you've got all Pride wallpapers, choose the one that you like the most. Here you can swipe between styles if you want, but let me choose this first one. And then just mark add. If you want, you can obviously customize fonts here. And then mark add. Finally decide if you want to set it as a wallpaper pair or you want to customize your home screen separately. I'd like to set it as a pair. And that's it. As you can see, from now on it is applied on both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.